Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. I am Preeti. In this today's video tutorial, I am going to cover how we can create unique permission for SharePoint document library. So in this tutorial, I am going to explain how we can provide an unique access to a specific user for the SharePoint document library. Also, we will see how we can change the unique permission label for the specific user inside the SharePoint document library. And also, if you want to delete that user's unique access or permission from the document library, that also we will see step by step in this video. So first of all, let me explain what does mean by SharePoint library unique permission. Is the name itself suggests unique permission? That means you want if you want to give someone give the unique access for a specific SharePoint document library. SharePoint library unique permission means that a specific document library has its own custom access settings different from the rest of the site. So what is happening normally, whenever we are giving permission to a specific SharePoint site to a specific people, that time he or she can able to access throughout the site. That means if the SharePoint site has like a 10 libraries, and inside the list libraries contents are there, so everything that particular user can access. I will tell you one example. Let's say your SharePoint site is for the HR department and everyone in HR can see all the libraries by default. But if you have one library, SharePoint document library called as employee reviews, that contains some sensitive files or documents. So in this case, what you want to do, you need to set the unique permission on that library so that only the HR manager and the directors can open it. Even though others can access the rest of the site, but they cannot able to open this site except only the HR manager and director. So let me tell you how we can do it step by step. So here you can see I have a SharePoint site called as Human Resources Department, HR department, where you can see this is the library called Invoice Approved Documents, and it has some invoice things. But what happens, like here you can see currently there are 3 members. One is Lydia, Patty and Johanna. Lydia and Patty can access this library. I want to give them the access. Like now they can see everything, but as they are under HR department, they both can see this library. But Johanna is a normal employee, and I want I want to remove him, and I want to give only the unique access to the Lydia so that she can able to view this library, but Johanna cannot see, okay, or cannot use this library, cannot see that library. So how we can do it? So first of all, what you need to do to set unique permission for the specific document library, you need to navigate to the particular library, and then here you can see the settings icon. Once you will click on this, here you can see library settings. Just go here and click on the more library settings. Once you will click on this more library settings, you can see one option called permission for this document library under the permission and management setting. Just click on that. So here now what is happening here, if you will come to members, you can see present Johanna and Lydia, but now I want to give only access to Lydia, not Johanna, but they are under this department like members. Okay, I want, first of all, what you need to do, you need to stop inheriting permissions. You need to break the permission from this library. Okay, and this is one time activity. So click on this, and here you can see one warning message called you are about to create unique permission for this document library. Yes, I want to create. So if yes, then click on OK. And now you can see after a second, it is one time activity, you can see permission has been broken over here. Okay, and next what you need to do, you can see here, as I told you, I want to give only the access to Lydia, not Johanna. Is inside this member permission or member group, Johanna is present, so I need to remove this one. So just select this group And then here you can see remove user permission. Just click on it and you can see a warning message called you are about to remove all permission for the following user or group to this library. So now I need to click on OK, and after a while if you will refresh this one, then you can see that member group has been deleted or removed from these permissions. So it is fine. Okay, as we wanted to create a unique permission for this document library, it is okay. So now we need to provide to the Lydia account. Okay, as Johanna I don't want. Now you can see Lydia also cannot able to access this site cause or this library cause we removed the member group. So to grant the access to a specific user unique permission, then what I need to do, we can click on the grant permission option over here. So once you will click on grant permission X like option, you can see inside this box you can write or you can provide the email address of the specific user. As I wanted to give Lydia, so I have provided Lydia. So you need to you need to just check whether if you want to save everything inside this folder, even items with unique permission. So as I wanted to share everything with Lydia, so I didn't do anything. I just kept it as it is. And now you just click on show option. Once you click on this option, you can see she will get or he will get one email invitation for like as I have provided the unique permission to the specific user. If you want to make them notify, then check this option. If you don't want, you uncheck it. And then here you can set the permission level for it. As I wanted, as the Lydia is under the HR department, I want to give, like you can give the full control access, but here in this case I want to give a edit permission. Once everything is done, just click on share. Now you can see after some seconds, you can see the Lydia will add over here. So now just refresh this SharePoint site, and then here you can see the Lydia has been added over here. You can see with the edit permission. So this is how you can set unique permission for a specific user to the specific document library. So next, later point of time, if you will think like, no, I don't want to give Lydia as edit permission, I want to give her contribute permission. In that case, what we'll do, you no need to create again the like unique permission and all these things, whatever we have done now. So what you need to do, you just need to come here, just select this one, and then here you can see one option called edit user permission. So once you will click on this, you will navigate to the permission level page, and here you can see all the permission levels are appearing here. Whatever you want, you just select it. Also you can check multiple options, but as I want to give only the contribute access, where she can only view, add, update and delete list items and documents, but he cannot add and edit this list and all these things. So as I wanted to give the contribute access, I just selected this one and I just click on OK. So once I have clicked on OK, you can see it will navigate again to the permission page, and here you can see this for the particular user I have changed the permission level to contribute access. Okay, so now if you want to remove this user unique permission access, then how you can do it? You just need to select this one, and then here you can see the remove user permission option. Once you will click on it, you can see you are about to remove all permission for the following user or group, this one. So once you will click on OK, you can see the Lydia has also been removed from this SharePoint document library. So in this way, we can provide the unique access to a specific user for a specific SharePoint document library. Also, we saw how we can change the permission level for that unique specific specific unique user for the specific document library. And also we saw how we can remove the user permission for that specific library. Also, I have written a full article on this, how to give unique permission for a SharePoint document library. you can visit this site. I will provide this site URL in my description box below. You can go to this article and you can view everything is here. Like you can follow the step-by-step process and you can get, like you can learn it how you can do it. So if you really like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.